Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Welcome to the third video in our series on technology influences in business. Today, we're exploring artificial intelligence and robotics and how they impact businesses. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that perform tasks requiring human intelligence, such as learning, decision-making, and problem-solving. Robotics involves machines that carry out physical tasks with precision and efficiency. Together, they are revolutionizing how businesses operate across different industries. In the UK, AI is widely used to enhance customer service, analyze data, and improve decision-making. Many banks, such as NatWest and HSBC, use AI-powered chatbots to provide 24/7 customer support, answering queries and guiding users through online banking processes. Retailers like Tesco use AI to analyze customer shopping habits and offer personalized promotions, improving customer experience and driving sales. Robotics plays a major role in manufacturing and logistics. Amazon's fulfillment centers in the UK use robotic systems to sort and move products, improving efficiency and delivery speeds. The automotive industry, with companies like Nissan at their Sunderland plant, relies on robotics to assemble cars with high precision and minimal defects, reducing costs and improving quality. The benefits of AI and robotics for businesses are significant. They increase efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, reduce labor costs, and minimize errors. Businesses can also operate 24/7, providing continuous service without relying solely on human staff. AI-driven insights help businesses make better, data-based decisions, allowing them to identify trends and react quickly to market changes. However, these technologies also present challenges. High initial investment costs can make adoption difficult for small businesses. Automation can lead to job losses, requiring companies to invest in staff retraining and upskilling. Additionally, AI raises ethical concerns, such as bias in algorithms and the need for businesses to comply with data protection regulations, including GDPR. For your AQA GCSE business exam, you might be asked to explain how AI and robotics impact business operations, analyze their benefits and drawbacks, or evaluate whether a business should invest in automation. Typical exam questions could include a scenario where a business is considering AI-driven customer service, requiring you to assess potential impacts on efficiency and costs. In summary, AI and robotics offer exciting opportunities for businesses to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve service quality. However, businesses must carefully consider financial and ethical implications before adopting these technologies. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please subscribe to our channel, Business with Mr. G, so you don't miss more business lessons. See you soon!